Imagine making $50,000 every single month on YouTube without ever showing your face. No camera, no fancy setup, just you, your ideas, and your content. Sounds impossible? Well, it's happening right now. Some of the smartest creators are quietly building massive faceless channels, earning six figures, while most people are still doubting themselves. And today, I'm going to walk you through 5 faceless YouTube channels that are proof you don't need a face on camera to succeed, and show you exactly how they do it, so you can start your own channel today. Let's start with the Infographics Show, one of the most popular faceless channels on YouTube. This channel was started in 2012 and has become a global hub for educational and informational content. Their videos cover everything from history, science, psychology, world events, and fascinating facts. What makes them stand out is their animated infographic-style presentation. Simple, colorful visuals paired with clear narration that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. They upload multiple videos per week, which has helped them grow to millions of subscribers. Their estimated monthly earnings? Around $50,000 per month, mostly from ad revenue and some sponsorships. If you want to make videos like them, start by researching interesting topics that people love to learn about. Use animation tools like Vion, Canva, or After Effects, and always focus on making your visuals engaging. A strong, professional voiceover is crucial because it guides viewers through the story, and consistency is the key. Aim for 2 to 3 videos per week. Next up is Kurzgesagt. In a nutshell, a high-end educational and science animation channel started in 2013. Unlike the Infographics Show, Kurzgesagt focuses on deep-dive topics like the universe, physics, biology, future technology, and complex social ideas. Their videos are beautifully animated, highly polished, and narrated in a calm, professional voice that makes complicated concepts easy to understand. They post 1 to 2 videos per month, but each video can take weeks of research, writing, and animation. Despite the lower upload frequency, their earnings are huge, estimated around $40,000 to $50,000 per month, boosted by sponsorships and merchandise. The big lesson here? Even if you don't post daily, high-quality and unique content attracts a loyal audience. If you want to make similar videos, focus on one niche you're passionate about, learn basic animation techniques, and craft scripts that explain ideas clearly. The combination of stunning visuals plus strong narration can make any faceless channel extremely successful. The third channel is Daily Dose of Internet, started in 2015, which specializes in curated viral clips from across the internet. This is a perfect example of a faceless content curation channel. The creators simply find trending, funny, or amazing clips, add short voiceovers or text overlays, and upload them consistently. They post almost daily, which keeps viewers coming back for more. Estimated earnings? Around $20,000 to $30,000 per month. What's remarkable is how simple it is to start. You don't need to create content from scratch. The key is finding clips that people want to watch, editing them to be punchy, and using engaging thumbnails and titles. You can even leverage trends from TikTok, Instagram, or other social media platforms to discover viral content. The lesson: consistency and knowing your audience are more important than being on camera. Fourth on the list is HowToBasic, a channel that started in 2011 and is known for its bizarre, extreme, and comedic tutorials. The niche is pure entertainment, often absurd or shocking content that never shows a face. Despite being weird, this channel has millions of subscribers and earns an estimated $20,000 to $50,000 per month. The secret? Creativity and uniqueness. You don't need fancy production, just a strong concept that hooks viewers. If you want to create similar content, focus on humor, surprise, and making every video memorable. Short, punchy, and outrageous ideas work best because viewers love to share them. Even without showing yourself, HowToBasic proves that entertainment value can make a faceless channel explode in popularity. Finally, we have DaFuq, Boom, which started in 2014, focusing on curated bizarre, shocking, and fun content. Like Daily Dose of Internet, this is a curation channel, but it emphasizes unusual or extreme content that keeps viewers entertained and coming back. They post several videos per week, with estimated earnings around $10,000 to $30,000 per month. The secret? A distinct style, consistent uploads, and understanding what keeps your audience engaged. To replicate this, find weird, fun, or shocking clips, add text overlays or commentary, and post regularly. Over time, your style becomes recognizable, and your audience grows naturally. So what's the takeaway from all 5 of these channels? You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive equipment. What you need is creativity, consistency, and a plan. Study these channels, see what type of content works, and adapt it to your own style. Some focus on animations, some on curated clips, some on comedy, but all of them share the same principle: unique, engaging content combined with consistent uploads. Start small, post regularly, and slowly build your audience. Your faceless YouTube empire is waiting, and the first step is simple: start today. Every top creator began somewhere, and your chance to succeed is now.